On the night of August 21, 1986, a cloud of carbon dioxide erupted from Lake Nyos in northwest Cameroon and rolled silently downhill at 50 miles per hour. It killed 1,746 people and roughly 3,500 livestock in their sleep, in villages as far as 16 miles away. Lake Nyos sits in a volcanic crater, and magma 50 miles below leaks CO2 upward into the deep water. The lake's lower layers hold the gas under pressure like a shaken soda bottle, and a landslide that night was enough to uncork it. Subscribe. Tomorrow's one is even more surprising. In 2001, engineers installed vertical pipes that vent the deep gas slowly to the surface, and a second and third pipe followed in 2011. But CO2 keeps seeping in from below, and the natural dam holding the lake back is eroding. Comment below,